Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Candy Crush Saga. If you want to change your display name on Candy Crush Saga so your friends can recognize you in the game, first of all, open up the Candy Crush Saga application on your device and make sure that you're connected to the internet. From the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. From your profile section, tap the pencil button right next to your profile picture and go ahead and enter a new name you want to change to. Click on Save once done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your display name in Candy Crush Saga account. Your new name should now appear in the game. Now your friends can see your fresh new identity. So, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.